Your iPhone can now track your orders without opening apps and without copying tracking numbers. Everything can show up directly inside your wallet. And the best part? It works using your emails. Let me show you how this actually works and how to set it up properly. First, what changed? In iOS 26, Apple expanded order tracking inside the Wallet app. Before this, you usually had to rely on shopping apps or manually track packages using tracking numbers. Now, your iPhone can detect order information directly from your emails. That includes order confirmations, shipping updates, delivery notifications, and it combines all of that into one clean tracking view. This works through Apple Intelligence, which helps the system understand what's inside your emails and pull out useful details. But this feature does not turn on automatically in every case. So let's start with the setup. Open your Settings app, scroll down, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then look for Order Tracking. Inside that, you'll see an option for Mail. Turn that on. This step is important because this is what allows Wallet to read order-related information from your emails. Without this enabled, nothing else will work. Now, once that's turned on, the next step is simple. Open your Mail app. Find an email related to an order. This could be a purchase confirmation, a shipping notification, or delivery update. When your iPhone detects that the email contains tracking information, you'll see a track option, usually near the top of the email. This is where the magic starts. Tap Track, and instantly, that order gets added to your wallet. No copying numbers, no switching apps, no manual setup. Now open your Wallet app. You'll see a new section for your orders. Tap on it, and you'll find your package. Inside, you'll see the current status, like shipped or delivered, a progress timeline, and sometimes even more details, depending on the carrier or store. Everything is organized in one place. Now here's where it gets smarter. This is not just a one-time import. Wallet continues updating your order automatically. As new emails arrive from the store or the shipping company, your iPhone reads those updates and refreshes the tracking inside Wallet. So instead of checking your email again and again or opening different delivery apps, you just open Wallet and everything is already updated. Now let's quickly explain how this actually works behind the scenes. Wallet looks for key information inside your emails. Things like tracking numbers, order IDs, shipping status updates. Then it connects those details together and builds a timeline for your package. So it's not just copying data, it's organizing it in a way that's easier to understand. Now this feature is useful, but it's not perfect. There are some limitations you should know. First, it may not work with every store. Some emails may not include the right format or details. Second, this feature depends on region and rollout, so not every user will see it immediately. And third, it relies on Apple Intelligence, which means older devices or unsupported versions may not have access. So if you don't see the track option or nothing appears in Wallet, it doesn't mean you did something wrong. It may simply not be available yet. Now let's talk about when this feature is actually useful. If you shop online regularly, use Apple Mail as your main inbox, and want a simpler way to track deliveries, then this can save you a lot of time. Because instead of searching emails or checking multiple apps, everything is centralized. But if you use other email apps or shop from platforms that don't send compatible emails, you might not see the full benefit. Now let's quickly recap the full process. First, go to Settings. Enable order tracking for mail. Second, open an order email inside the Mail app. Third, tap Track when it appears. Fourth, open Wallet to view your order. And after that, just let it update automatically. That's it. Simple setup, and everything runs in the background. Now here's the real takeaway. This feature is not about adding another tracking tool. It's about removing steps. No copying, no switching apps, no searching emails. Just one place for everything. So if you already live inside Apple's ecosystem, this is one of those small features that makes a big difference. If this helped you understand how to use Wallet for order tracking, subscribe for more simple, practical tech guides that actually make your phone smarter.